DIY book and stationery supply organizer. First, you'll need a cereal or drink powder box. Now draw a simple design to cut the box in that shape. I picked up a permanent marker and drew it. Now cut that piece. Also cut the remaining part with the same design. You can use any design you like. Now I've cut it. And I added some scrapbook paper to decorate it. And it has a nice finish. And it's done, and now you can organize your books and supplies with this. And it looks pretty cool in that desk. So this pen stand sticker is from one of my last videos, the DIY stickers. I've given the link in description. To stationery organizer. You'll need a cereal or drink powder box again. Now you have to cut the front part of the box and it should look like this. Now take some small cardboard pieces that will fit right into the box with the same length and breadth. Now stick them together to form a hollow rectangular box. I covered it with some scrapbook paper to decorate it like the previous one. Now stick those small pieces to divide them into separate storage spaces. Carefully stick them. And it is done, and now you can load it with all your stationery or office supplies. And it looks pretty cool and nice. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed both of my organizer projects. Thanks for watching. So the part 1 of the organization hacks ends here. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and also leave a like and make sure to check out my other videos.